The ISO 19650 compliance checklist is a key part of your journey. And in this video, we'll show you how to use it effectively. By the end of the video, you should know how to understand the checklist, the structure of it, filter and navigate its sections step by step, and take your first actionable steps towards compliance. Whether you're assessing your processes for the first time or fine-tuning your approach, this checklist is designed to guide you every step of the way.
Now let me show you how to access and use the checklist. Create a new project, navigate to the scope module. From here, you will be able to add the checklist directly from the Planoly templates. Look for the one that says ISO 19650 checklist. It's ready to use. Once you add it, you will see the checklist organized into 8 folders representing the stages for the ISO 19650 clauses. Expand any folders or stages to reveal the individual tasks. And for each task, you will see an explanation as well. Just turn the subtitles on. When you click on the tasks, you can see the descriptions, the relevant clause numbers, and of course, the checklist itself. Tasks can also be filtered by responsible parties within the checklist, allowing each team to focus on what's relevant to them. This enables them to efficiently review their assigned checklist items and provide valuable input. Navigating the checklist is straightforward, and each task is clearly defined to help you stay on track. Let's move on to see how to use the checklist step by step.
Let me show you an example of how to work through a task in the ISO 19650 checklist. Here we have the assess each task team's capability and capacity stage. First, you will start with the subtitles and description, which provide an overview of why the task is important, what the task involves, and how it aligns with ISO 19650. Next, move to the checklist items. Here, first task is evaluate the team's capability to manage information effectively. You could review their current workflows, training records, and past project experiences to ensure they meet the requirement for that information delivery strategy. Similarly, you can evaluate for the other items, verify that your IT infrastructure, including software and hardware, supports the project information delivery strategy. Then document any gaps in capability and propose strategies to address them. So if you already have this process in your workflow, just check the boxes and mark it completed. If not, don't worry, we have got all the templates and forms to simplify this process and ensures you're on the right track. No need to start from scratch, we have got you covered. You will also have the option to add the attachments or documents for supporting evidence. This makes it easy to document your progress, everything in one place. Finally, you can use Planoly to track progress by assigning statuses to checklist items and delegating tasks to specific team member for them to address. This example highlights how each task checklist is designed to guide you step by step, ensuring that nothing is missed and your compliance process stays on track. With Planoly, everything you need is centralized and easy to manage.
Yep, and to get the most out of the checklist, here are some practical tips for using it effectively. Number 1, involve your team. Collaboration is key. Engage your team members so that you can gather input and ensure that everyone's perspective is covered. This is a big deal, and maybe now might be the time to think about how you could involve your executive team as well. This is a big change process that your company can really benefit from, and getting the executive buy-in is key. Number 2 is focus on one section at a time. Instead of trying to tackle the entire checklist all at once, work on each section at a time, and this would help you stay on track and avoid kind of feeling overwhelmed with everything going on. And number 3, use the progress tracking. Inside of this checklist, we have progress tracking built in. It's a feature that will enable you to monitor the status and the completion rate that you're going through the tasks and help you complete in the least amount of time possible. By following these tips, team collaboration, breaking into sections, and using progress tracking, you'll navigate the checklist with ease and with confidence. And remember, you're not on this journey alone. If you ever feel stuck or want to dive in deeper into any of the sections, we are here to support you. Many of our teams find that regular check-ins and the tailored advice help keep things on track and make the process even smoother. We're like a coaching advisor, whether you're using the checklist independently or tapping into those extra resources, we have you covered and we can ensure that you have everything you need to succeed. Now that you've learned how to start with a checklist, it's time to take the next step in your ISO 19650 compliance journey. In the next video, we'll guide you through the readiness check using the checklist. And this step will help you to dive deeper into identifying and addressing any of the gaps in your process. Are you ready to get started? Let's continue building your path to compliance together.